Good morning everyone, welcome to an exceedingly cold Rathbone manor this morning. We've got a considerable frost going on outside, as you can see here, and even in the workshop it's 3 above, so it's pretty damn cold out here. Got my woolly hat on because it's bloody cold out here. Oh, jingo. Anyway, I thought today we'd take a look at this pair of very nice old Lindstrom piano wire pliers here. You can see they're in pretty good shape, apart from the fact that they're absolutely filthy. So I think the first thing we'll have to do is get them into some cleaning solution. Oh, good grief, these gloves are cold. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you can actually see that from over there, guys, but this is steaming. I've got some hot water and cleaning solution in here and it's actually steaming. Okay, let's get the pliers in there. There we go. Give them a bit of a clean up, hopefully. Let's get in there with a little bit of Scotch-Brite as well. So we can do with a bit of wet Scotch-Brite on them. Okay, so here we are, post cleaning. We've had a good clean up, as you can see. They're showing signs of promise. Look, nice and shiny here already, and they feel a lot smoother and a lot cleaner. But as you can see, there's an awful lot of ingrained dirt into the handles and different places. The jaws are a little bit grubby in there as well. Don't know if that's rust or just dirt or something in there, but they are showing signs of promise. So I think what we'll do is let's get them onto the large wire wheel and then the fibre wheel and see what we can do, shall we? Okay, so here we are after a quick touch on the wire wheel. Look at that, we've even got a shine going on here already. Look a lot nicer, don't they? I couldn't get in there with the wire wheel, so I'll have to try a smaller wire wheel in there, but yeah, let's turn things around and we'll get to the fibre wheel. Okay then, so do you remember what these pliers looked like when we first started the video? Well, let's take a look at them now, guys. Look at this. Got quite a nice shine on them, I think you'll find. It's very, very cold outside today. I think the weather's showing about -3. And I did find the fibre wheel does create a considerable draft, and I was quite freezing by the time I'd finished. But just look at them, look. You've got a nice, almost mirror finish going on here, look. Look at that. That's not bad, is it? I like that. And the handles have a brushed satin finish to them, and I've also found that they have a date stamp on them. I think this is a date stamp here, especially if we get it up the right way. I think that is a 1961 I think these pliers were made. Managed to clean inside the jaws. They don't look like they've been used much, do they? But they are for cutting piano wire, so they've probably been hardened to a considerable degree. The cutting edges look quite nice too, don't they? Wonder what they'll cut. I haven't got any piano wire, but we'll give them a go, see what they will cut. You can see the Lindstrom, Sweden. There's the part number there, 7-inch they are. Piano wire. Very nice indeed, I like those. Very nice, they've come out really well, haven't they? Wonder what sort of, oh, I know what we can give them a try with. Not quite as hard as piano wire, but we've got some 3mm copper rod here. Let's give them a go. Almost. Oh, he cuts it off just there. Wow. Blimey, it's pinging around all over the place. I like that. Left a bit of copper in the jaws there. Oh, they're quite nice. I've managed to take all the rough edges off them too. The handles feel really nice in the hand, nice and smooth. I don't think it's much in the line of forging marks either, so they were ground up very nicely at the factory. Wow. So what do you think then, guys? They come up really nicely, haven't they? They're definitely going into my collection. These are. I love these ones. I do like a nice pair of pliers, I must admit. A little over a year ago, I picked these ones up from the car boot sale. Some idiot has absolutely ruined the cutters in there by cutting something far too hard for them. You can see through the gap there, look. But these are actually JS and S, I believe, is the brand name here. I think you can just about make that out. JS and S. Foreign. And I discovered the other day, I was looking through my footprint wrench copies, and I've picked this up very recently for 50p at one of the last car boot sales I went to. And this is also, as you can see there, JS and S. So I've got two tools by JS and S now. So it'll be interesting to see how well these things clean up, because I think they're quite nicely finished as they are at the moment. I mean, they're not great shape at the moment because all rusty and what have you, and they're very stiff to open and close. But we've got showing signs of promise there. It's quite shiny there, look, guys. So I think in another video I'll stick these onto the wire wheel and the fibre wheel as well. We'll see how we get on, see if they come up as good as these. So this will undoubtedly be my last restoration of what has been not a very good year, 2020. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with these. Really, really nice, and they are definitely going into my collection of pliers. We've also got a screwdriver tip at the end here. Look at that, that's nice, isn't it? Rounded tip that side. As I say, they are very nice and comfortable to hold as well. They cut piano wire, so they're quite hard. Maybe they were used by piano tuners pliers possibly, who knows. But yeah, look at that, Lindstrom. What's the number there? So I don't think it's a 197, something like that. Yeah, Lindstrom 197, 7-inch, made in Sweden. Look at the shine. What a stunning pair of pliers. God, look at the shine on them. Wow, they come out really well. You can tell quality tools, can't you? These are made for some really nice steel, these are. Look at that. Yes, they don't make them like this anymore. I'll bet $1. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with those. I like those. They are definitely going into one of my drawers in a moment or two. Is there any room for them in my pliers drawers? They're all looking a bit full. I might be able to get them in there though. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay then everyone, well, thanks for popping over to a very cold Rathbone Manor this morning and helping me to do a really nice job on these very nice Lindstrom 197s here. Oh wow, they come up really nice, I like those. Yeah. Alright guys, well thanks for popping over. Thanks for taking a look, and I hope you'll pop over to Rathbone Manor for another restoration at some time in the very near future. I've got loads and loads of projects down there waiting to be done, but I do love pliers. Well, look at those, yeah, aren't they beautiful? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. Thanks for watching.